how many, ano? So the actual test will be 50 items. Okay? $50, huh? You'll be given 3 hours to finish each. Okay. You're given 3 hours to finish. So I suggest you pick a time where your internet is very stable, no? Because it will be a 24-hour duration. I think it's 48-hour duration. Okay? Okay? 48-hour duration. So pick the best time you can take it. Any questions so far? So our practice test. Let me switch my role to student. I'll extend this, okay? There are only, okay, times allowed 3 times. I'll expand this so you can test this again, okay? So anyway, given the following program in the IAS, what best describes the function that the command at address 0 does? Anyone? What it does? Does it jump to 5R? B, yes. Okay, jump to 4L. L because it's 0 to 19. Okay. So you go to the next page. What was the name of the globally globally interconnected computers, which the internet was called? The name of globally interconnected computers? It's not C. C is not a connection of computers. Excuse me now for a while. Sana, sana. Ayun, ako klase dong. Sorry kayo, night class ko. See, galactic network concept is not a network. It's only a concept. Okay. The first two computers was connected from MIT to UCLA. It's here in our history of computers. In our okay. It's, let me check. No. It's in the slide that you can download. No, it's in the worksheet which you can download. No, history of the internet. Here it is. No, it's also in our site. No, when was the first connection done? I think I forgot to mention this. No, in 1965. Okay, MIT researcher Lawrence G. Roberts from MIT. No. Working with Thomas Merrill. Thomas Merrill is from UCLA, connected that PX2 computer in Massachusetts to a Q32 computer in UCLA. That was the first computer. No? They follow? Okay. And then they demonstrated that again, no? In 1972. Okay. So the network is called, what do you call the network? It's the ARPANET. Okay. So the ARPANET was made initially of two computers. They were connected via telephone lines using packet switches. Okay, packet switches. Okay, The first, no, sorry, no, that's correct. I'm concept pala, no? Sorry. The first concept, it's not network, no? I'm sorry. If you say network, it's the ARPANET, but if it's a concept, it's the galactic network concept, okay? Do you follow? I'm sorry, I made a mistake, no? The first concept of globally interconnected computers, it's not the network. The network is ARPANET, the concept is galactic network concept, no? This was by JCR Licklider of MIT. No? So galing sa Massachusetts ito. No? Okay, I'm sorry, no? Okay. Who formulated the store program concept? Of course, it's John von Neumann. Okay. Howard Aiken made the Mark I, IBM. Bill Gates, of course, and Paul Allen were the initial owners or stockholders of Microsoft. No? Okay. In the design of the ENIAC, the concepts of input and output registers are merged into one. Okay. Remember, the computer before it is the analytical engine. Which of the following is used to name the new component? Okay. Is it a counter register? Is it a punch card reader? Is it the arithmetic logic register? Is it the accumulator register, or none of the other choices? D. Very good. Accumulator, no? Nowadays, we say accumulator, you know what it is. It's everywhere, no? Everywhere. In all computers have accumulators, no? D from Anthony Yap. Which invention of Charles Babbage was considered the first concept of a computer? Is it the analytical engine, the arithmeter, the step reckoner or the difference engine? B. There are only two inventions, no? The difference engine and the analytical engine. The difference engine is not a computer, it is used for counting polynomials. The arithmeter is an adding machine. Sino nag-invent nito? Who invented the arithmeter? See? It's in our slide, no? Look at that. Early computing. I will close the slides, okay? During the exam. Thomas de Colmar invented the arithmeter. Okay. Who invented the step reckoner? Step reckoner? Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz, Germany. Of course, Blaise Pascal invented the Pascaline. Which of the following is considered to be the first microcomputer? Okay. It's in our slide. I may not have mentioned it, but it's Micral N. Okay, Micral N. After that, you have Zilog C80 and Altair 8800. They're almost at the same time, no? Yung Altair tsaka ano, it's Micral N. In our ano, in our material, no? Where was that? Micral N. Look at that. No, 1973. But they came almost the same, no? With Zilog 80 and Altair 8800, just a few months. No? They were in the race. The first microcomputer is called Micral M. It's from France. Okay, but this was the basis of the Apple design, because the three judges at the Computer Museum saw the Micral N, and by 1976 they produced their own microcomputer. Do you follow? Remember, 1976 yung Apple. Altair 8800 is 1974 and also Zilog Z80. Okay. Altair Basic yung ginagamit and then Zilog Z80 uses CPM. Okay. It's in another ano. Okay. Any questions? So just a few months earlier than Altair 8800. 8800. Okay. Medyo nauna lang siya ng konti. Given the following program. Okay. What is the value of the accumulator after line number 8? After line number 8, what is the value of the, una N0, this is 12 in 00, this is 32 in 001, this is 003. Minus L00 at saka L001. L00 is 2012, 2012 minus 32. 2012 minus 30 is 280, so this is 282. 282 times 5. Can we do that? So what's the answer? 180. Okay. It converts temperatures. Which of the following is among the first among the products of Microsoft? Is it Microsoft Office? MS-DOS, basic programming language, or it's the basic programming language. Remember, it's already there in 1973 and 1974 in Altair 8800. There's already Altair Basic, which is supplied by Microsoft. During those days, all microcomputers are packaged with a Microsoft Basic program. Okay. All of them, even Apple computers and IBM computers will always have basic. Okay. Given the following program, what is the value of the accumulator after line number 12? Anyone? $220 for line number 12. Before siya mag-divide, subtract 32. Mag-subtract siya ng 32 from degrees Fahrenheit. 900 ba? Okay, so una, i-multiply yung 00, no, minus. So this is 180 times 5. 180 times 5, let's have Excel. Pwede rin calculator, no? Times 5. Okay. Then we'll have line number 12 ba? Oh, 900. 900, no? Line number 12, 900. Okay. Any questions? Given the following program code in the IAS, what is the value of the accumulator after address 4L? No, this is not I'm sorry, no, mali ito. If this is the IAS, so meron 4L for no. I'm confused with the PDP, no. Okay, what's the address? What's the value of the accumulator after address 4L? 10. Okay, kasi load lang naman eh. Load M1. M1 is 10. Okay. Okay. So how much did you get? It will give you our score right away, no? In my case, it wouldn't. Okay. Any questions so far? You will have 50 of these items. I haven't included a sample for the PDP, but you will have about 2 to 3 problems involving the PDP programming. Halos pareho lang naman sila ng IAS, okay? They're almost the same. Okay, any questions so far? So are you ready now for the test?
Sir, my question po.
Yes, what's the question?
Multiple choice po lahat ng sa final na quiz po, sir.
Multiple
Okay,
choice.
sir.
Okay. But you will have a lot. No? You'll have a lot. Multiple choice, so you can get your scores right away. So 50 items, no? For 3 hours. Okay. So you read the whole thing, everything. No? Okay. Any questions? So you ready, no? Thursday and Friday. Wednesday sana yun, pero like I may not meet kasi if we will meet on Wednesday, maalanganin the other question, the other section will be a little compromised, no? Because they will not have a meeting by Thursday because that's our exam. Okay? So we will not meet on Wednesday anymore. Okay? No meeting on Wednesday. But you email me because I will be online during the exam, okay? In case you have questions, I'll be online. You can chat, no? You can chat me during the exam. I'll keep my Zoom open. I have a Zoom in my cell phone. Okay? You can chat, no? Any questions so far?
None po, sir.
So see you next meeting. See you on the exam. Okay?
Sir.
Thursday.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Have a nice day. Bye.